Hi, my name's Lexi and I'm going to cook you veg fritters. You will need a potato and some cheese and some courgette. Well, I'll go half courgette. Well, you can have the whole thing if you want to. I've got some eggs, I've got some oregano, some oil, I've got some pepper, I've got some thyme. But if you want, you can always add some herbs, if you want some herbs, or fresh herbs, if you want it. I'm going to grate a courgette. And I'm going to grate potato. The next thing, I'm going to grate some cheese. I'm going to crack some eggs in. I'm going to crack an egg in the bowl. And now I'm going to whisk it up. And now I'm going to add some, I'm going to add some spice, but I'm going to use oregano and pepper. And now I'm going to whisk it up. Add some cheese, courgette, and I'm going to add potato. And now I'm going to whisk it all up. And now I've got some oil in the pan. Now I'm going to add some fritters in the pan. Cut them with a fork. And now I'm going to flip this over into a pan. Golden brown and it's ready, you can put on a plate. And it will taste delicious. I hope you enjoy this.